This year, I really want to have a dedicated recording area. Come with me through the house and help me choose. So this is my studio. It's a little bit of a mess. This is where I work. This is my husband's kind of storage mess area. I don't think I can do it in here, but then there's this room, which is underutilized and usually holds my kid. So I was thinking I could set up lights, I could clip things onto the table here so that I have overhead video. I could do something with this wall, a mural, make a backdrop. And the nice thing about this room is that it doesn't get a lot of sunlight, so light control would be really good. Okay, but I have an idea for a second place. Follow me. So if we go upstairs, see, working here right now. There is also my bedroom. Oh, don't mind the sports bra. So I have this area. I have a chalkboard here. It gets a lot of natural light because it is west facing. May not be good because it might be a burden when there's direct sunlight. I would sit here. I could do something with the background. My concern is that maybe it's too dark of a background, but I could do something in colored chalk on it too, right? What do you think? If I'm setting up something to record myself, a dedicated area, I just want to be able to sit down and shoot content. Let me know. What do you think?